Alright, so update lang guys. So namin dito sa Woodland Tourist Inn. Kauban na to ang R15 Club of Davao. So, Boss Jet and Richard. So prepare pa na sila guys. Yun o. Tingnan baka ibutang na natin yun. Sa ibulusa ano.
Hulog pa lang.
Oh, human ng problema oh. Currently at Tacorong. So alauna na alauna may dapat dito sa Tacorong. So nakakaway na. So we got our hotel dito sa Woodland Tourist Inn. So nindot kayo guys, good for 3 person. Sa tuwang tour later. So sa karon nato ta sa grid para sa tuwang bike check. Alright, so Municipality of Tacorong. So here we are. Yun, so nandito nga ito ang check. Let's go. Alright, so prepare na. Saan bike check with speakers guru? Ay, gini. Ayan, bike check. Ayan. Unit MC.
Nakarin niyo, wala. Wala nakarin niyo si...
Busy. Saya beli terus binti.
Kahit di sini lang. Hoy!
Bro, magpirma ro. So baguman rin. Update. Shout out kay Boss Jet, R15, Takong Chabi lang. And of course, Boss Richard, nasa likod mo. You know. So, getting our kids now. Diba? Best. Natin. Wala pa.
Aga bas. Check.
Yun.
Number.
Hey, let's go. Okay, so update guys. Pagura na ako atong kit. So, solid purple. Yun. Either 1009 baby. Sikip na kurong 2,000. Course ID. Okay, ID with sling. So shout out sa to ang supplier nga Rave Clothing. Good. No? Where's our rider number and MRM sticker? Right. So blast na sa me guys and peace out.
Bulan berapa?
A few moments later.
Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world?
So guys, 15 minutes prior to 2 AM. Jump off is by 3. Sequence is unahan nila ang big bike, then to follow ang mga small CC. So kauban nato sila Boss Jet, Richard, and Dex, Nagaraga Looper, R15, BCX of Davao, and of course BCX White Lights. Let's have fun guys sa Mandirigma version 3. 800 kilometers. Let's go!
I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient. Hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. Hey, give me that crown. Get in my way and to be put down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the noose it fits. I'm losing shit, a stupid myth. You choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Alright, so we just arrived here at first checkpoint guys. Alright, so first checkpoint guys. Here we are, Maramag. Yun. Good, thank you so much ma'am. Lagpo. So we arrived here after an hour. So grabe ang biyahe guys, sabi tagas kay straight. Pero ayos kayo, ayos kayo. Yeah, let's go, let's go, let's go.
Yeah, there's no mercy in this world, just hunger, thirsty persons in different versions. Each do what they that shit worsens. Why? Pull back the curtain and you'll see the different vermin. We all have different burdens that all seem to cause disturbance. Yo, do me a favor, don't treat me like a neighbor. Don't need the different flavors of your problems just to savor. I've got my own issues, I need a comb to get through. Don't need to groan with you, just go get your own tissue. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Alright, so quick update guys. Hunong sa amin kay nagka-aberya mong kauban.
What's up? What's up?
Wash out gyapon yung So si Boss Richard from R15 nagka-aberya, so relax sabi kadali. Wait lang, siga Brad. Dex, atras ba sigae ba sigae?
Wala ita ka boss, palit na lang to. Palit lang tag boss.
Ayun na sa taon na, ibutan na sa bag. Alright, so nawala lagi sa bolt namong kauban. Di makayag kuan, wala ka talaga extra? Right, magpalit na sa hayag na. Ano hayag na? Alright, so tara.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. That's it, the end of the song. Next time you sing along, trust me, there's nothing wrong. I just need to carry on, cause society's a myth, put there to make you sit. Listen to what they give, don't ask questions, shut your lid. Yeah, don't ask questions, shut your lid. I need to run away from this and go get off the grid. Feel like my brain is overloaded, man, I'm losing it. Don't let them tell you what to do, man, they don't know shit.
Alright, so guys, update na namin diri sa 10 City Alamada. So kauban gyud pa na to si Richard, Sir Jet, aman to si Dex. Okay, so get up na mi and going to the second photo op, ang Wao Municipality Hall.
Things I can't seem to let go, and I feel like I'm all on my own. And some days it gets worse and the memories hurt, but I hope that one day I let go. I know I get mad, too mad, and I don't wanna do that. It hurts bad and I hate when the mood lasts. I move fast and I try hard to move past all the pain, cause I'm looking for a bright side in my mind, cause you only got one life. Need advice from the future, am I alright? If this fight feels like something from your own life, then one time let me hear you sing. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I could get out of this. And I feel like life moves way too fast to
Alright, so we are now approaching Wao Municipal Hall, our second photo op. Kandulan, wow. Wow, kandulan. So, we go up. Touchdown. Wow. Alright, so let's have a picture. Tapos you proceed to the third and the second checkpoint, Maramag. So for now, let's take a picture. Okay, so rest kami guys. Ada mga kauban ako. Boss Jet. Chard.
Takbong Chabi and
Takbuchaki. Wala yung pito to. Ayan.
Padulog basa, padulog iligan. Ato ana.
Ako na kuna dito. Dali mo go. Ako na dito.
Nahulog yang kuanday cellphone kang Dex. Di. Nagirap. Asa ba kung
Ah, kaya pa?
bukid doon ako'y patawad ang kuan? Pupuntangan ako silan.
Bala-bala mo.
Tigiyan na siguro ta.
Gayan. Gayan dyan. Pulpada naman sa mga taas kayo ng luya.
Karon,
Karoon guys, it's straight naman. Init na siya labo na tuwali.
hindi tayo laban. Ninyo.
Sino ka dyan doon? Lagunong pulpada ka pa.
So, quick update. Rest na may kadali. May na nakabalo ko nga hinay kayong kuan. Kamay kay kukan sa hangin. Salamat kang Boss Jet. Boss Richard, dagulat sa mua. Yun. Rekta na, may rekta na. Boss Jet, shout out!
Now we stand together and hold on through the anger, whether we all want to make something better. I know. And my trust has been torn and shredded. It's been rough, but I try to forget it and move on to a place where I can grow. It's time, not holding back. I'm coming and coming fast. I know what I wanna have. The dream is to detach from all that is bad. The things holding me back. The people that didn't last. The evil that kept me mad. This is my life. It's my time to do things just how I like. My runway for the lights. I'ma take flight. And my God is my purpose and my fight. If you feel the same, let me hear you say. Sometimes things will get hard and leave you covered in scars, but I know I can get out of this.